Hey y'all, welcome back to All Things DFW, your inside look at the neighborhoods, businesses, events, and real estate market that make Dallas-Fort Worth an incredible place to live, work, and play. Every week we shine a spotlight on what makes our community special. And this week, we're headed to one of my personal favorite cities, Murphy, Texas, to check out the local businesses, exciting developments, and some of the big things coming soon. Murphy may have that quiet, small town vibe, but make no mistake, this city is booming. From long-standing local favorites to brand new builds, Murphy is full of momentum. Small businesses here don't just serve customers, they serve the community. They're run by people who live here, send kids to school here, and help build Murphy lifestyle we all love. And speaking of building, one of the most talked about projects in town is the upcoming HEB. Yes, it's happening and it's going to be located at the southwest corner of FM 544 and McCreary Road with the planned opening in 2026. The approximately 136,000 square foot store will feature true Texas barbecue restaurant, HEB curbside pickup, a pharmacy, a fuel station, and a car wash. Construction's already in motion and everybody can't wait. This also means job creation, local convenience, and increased property value, a win for all around. Now, let's talk food, because Murphy does not disappoint when it comes to incredible local eats. Here are a few of my personal go-tos. If you're in the mood for Mexican food, you've got to try Taqueria and Tamaleria Nuevo Leon. If you know, you know. The tacos and the tamales are unreal. This spot feels like home cooking with every bite. And also, La Flor Mexican Cuisine, another can't-miss restaurant with a full menu of Tex-Mex favorites. And while you're there, make sure you stop next door and say hi to our friends, the Andrea Kincannon Farmers Insurance Agency. They're longtime community supporters and just good people. Now, if you're craving barbecue, head straight to the backyard. They've got that smoky, melt-in-your-mouth flavor we all love, plus a laid-back atmosphere. And here's the bonus. The back patio is pet-friendly, so bring your dog, grab a plate, and enjoy the vibes. And if you were looking for a modern twist on tacos, plus a little game day energy, check out Torchy's Tacos, which just opened in Murphy, Texas. From their bold flavors to their full bar, it's the perfect spot to catch a football game and try something new. Murphy isn't just growing, it's evolving. With steady population growth, new construction homes, and commercial development on the rise, this city is positioning itself as one of the top suburbs in Collin County. That means more opportunities for small businesses, more reasons for families to relocate here, and more value for homeowners who got in early. And the best part, Murphy is still rooted in connection, where business owners know your name and new residents quickly become neighbors. That's it for this week's Murphy Business Spotlight, but we've got more on the way. Next week, we're talking parks and recreation in Murphy, Texas. So go ahead and hit that subscribe or follow button, give this video a like, drop a comment with your favorite Murphy businesses, especially the hidden gems that most people don't know about. Until next time, I'm Matthew Soto with Stash Realty Group, and this is All Things DFW.